We're explaining the No Backup Set Selected to be Restored error in SQL Server 2012, specifically when dealing with FileStream. This frustrating error typically pops up during a database restore and indicates that SQL Server can't find the backup set you're trying to restore. Even if you're absolutely certain the backup exists, this issue can arise from several sources, particularly with FileStream. 1. Incorrect backup path. Double-check and triple-check the path you've specified for your backup files. Make sure it's the exact complete path, including drive letter, any folder structures, and the correct file name. A simple typo can cause this error. 2. File permissions. SQL Server's service account needs read permissions to the location where your backup files are stored. If the account doesn't have the necessary access, the restore process fails. Verify permissions in Windows Explorer. 3. Backup file. Corruption. Sadly, backups can sometimes become corrupted. Try restoring a different backup, if available, to confirm the issue is with a specific backup file and not a systemic problem. 4. FileStream considerations. FileStream adds complexity. When using FileStream, your database's backup consists of several files. You must restore all associated files, the primary database backup, BAC, and the FileStream files. Missing even one file will lead to the No Backup Set Selected error. Carefully examine your backup directory for all the files related to the database. 5. Incorrect restore options. The restore process has many settings. Make sure you've selected the correct database and have the appropriate restore options enabled. Check for any conflicting options that might be causing the issue. 6. SQL Server. Agent. Ensure that the SQL Server agent service is running and that the account it's running under has the necessary privileges. A problem with this service can subtly affect restore operations. 7. Disk space. Verify that you have sufficient free disk space on the drive where you're trying to restore the database. A lack of space can prevent the restore from completing. 8. Backup media. If your backup is on a network share, check the network connection and the share's availability. Network issues can interrupt the backup process. 9. Restore from a different server. If you are trying to restore a backup taken on another server, ensure that the edition, version, and service packs of SQL Server are compatible. 10. SQL Server configuration. Review the SQL Server configuration and the default file locations for databases to ensure consistency. It's best to restore to the same or similar directory structure as the original database. Remember, meticulously checking each of these points systematically is often the key to resolving the No Backup Set Selected to be Restored error. Addressing each possibility, one by one, usually pinpoints the problem.